If we start with 1 and we add consecutive odd numbers, we will always get a square number, and we can see this visually. But how can we prove this? Now, I've seen some memes that say, bro, just look at it. Unfortunately, saying bro, just look at it is not a mathematical proof. So let's see how we can prove this using proof by induction. Now, a proof by induction has two parts, and to explain this, imagine a person at the bottom of this endless staircase. Now, this first part says, can they take the first step? And the second part says, at any given step, is it always guaranteed that they can take the next step? If both of these work, this person can walk up these stairs forever. So this is what we want to prove, where n is a positive integer. So let's do our base case. Can we take our first step? So let's have n equal 1. So when we substitute in n equals 1, does the left-hand side equal the right-hand side? Yep, so that means we can take the first step. Now for part 2, we are assuming that this is true for some specific k, so it's going to look like this. Now is it guaranteed that the next case will work? The next case being we have k plus 1 instead of k here. So does the left-hand side equal the right-hand side, assuming that this is true? Well, assuming that this is true, we can rewrite all of this as k squared, and let's distribute both of these. And with more simplification, we see that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. So we showed that we can take the first step, and that we can always take the next step. So there you have it. We showed that if we start with 1 and we add consecutive odd numbers, we will always get a square number.